independence, and thousands and thousands of people came out to vote, and there was a massive vote in favour of independence for Catalonia. In the Basque Country, there's a coalition of left-wing parties, and our IFA party again is a member of this coalition. They won a huge level of support in the recent Basque elections. And of course in Scotland, we've heard about what's happening there. And on a European level, within IFA, we are trying to pull all these experiences together so we can support Scotland and Catalonia and Flanders, and of course they can support us. And so we really do have a shared experience. We have a huge challenge in front of us, because questions about Scottish independence, for example, what happens to the UK membership of the EU when Scotland becomes independent, those questions are still not being faced up to by the European Commission and by other governments in Europe. So it's a very exciting time, and I'm sure that Daniel will tell you a lot more about the ways in which we can work together.
Jill.